Hello students, today we will learn how to make the table of contents. We will also learn how to link paragraphs. I forgot to do that on another project. I should have done it sooner. And also we're going to learn a little bit about tabs. Okay, so this is, again, I like to start off with some inspiration samples, and these are just different ways of how you can display some of your articles in your table of contents. You can, like I always say, you can always do your own research and see what kind of fits the look and feel of your own design or your own theme, because by now you should probably have a certain theme going. Okay, so these are just different examples of how you can build your table of contents. Okay, so we go to InDesign, and this is where we last left it at. And so mine right now looks like a Frankenstein, and it's probably going to continue because I'm just going by whatever I can to make it a little bit faster and also easier for you. I'm not going into detail, but I'm just wanting for you to catch a couple things that is important. Okay, so if we hold down Shift and we select both masters, we're going to add a master after the cover. So if we put it here, it's just automatically going to push it right in front. So it's page 2 and 3. Okay, so now we have to look for an image, or you could, obviously you can have a lot of different images. I'm going to go with this fruit, citrus fruit that I found interesting. Okay, so I'm going to insert that. I'm going to put that smack in the middle because this right here, this space right here is called the gutter, and that's either going to be cut or bound. So it's not good to put anything there, but if it's an image, it's not a big deal. You don't want to put any text or any text going across like that because it's going to get cut off or bound, like I said. So, but an image, I think you can get away with putting an image in there. Okay. And let's just put it in the center there. All right. Now, let's say right here, let's put in this issue. A little spaced out. All right. I don't know what looks good. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be capitalized or not. Anyway, I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to put a section over here for editor editor's note. Okay. So what I wanted to show you first with the editor's note You could put a picture or something like that of someone. Could be you, whatever you would like. I wanted to show you. I found some text from another magazine. I'm just gonna steal that. You didn't hear me say steal. I'm gonna borrow it. Okay, so what you do is you create a text box. Paste what you can in there. Okay, you're gonna create another text box next to it. Okay, it could be anywhere. Then you're going to get the white arrow, and you see that little red plus box right there? You want to click on that. Click it one more time until you get this little link chain, and then click on the next box, and anything will just go into that section. So if you move it, if you want it to make it even, then you could do that as even as you can. So I wanted to show you that. So please have a section where you do that, okay? And another thing I wanted to show you with the table of contents is the tabs. So for instance, this is, let's say, citrus. Let's get a little bit closer. Citrus recipe. Oh my god, how do you spell recipes? I think. I'm sorry if I misspelled it. Okay. And let's say orange. No, lemon. Lemon. I'm not even gonna try to spell meringue. Lemon pie. I'm just coming up with stuff. Let me see. Spring diet. That's the first thing that came to my mind. I don't know why. Oh, lemonade. Okay. Okay, so these are my articles, right? I would prefer if I could write something underneath it, but what I want to show you, and this is what I want from you guys, is that you highlight your text, and then you go to type and tabs, and this little window pops up, right? You can put this little area right here is where the tabs that you're gonna put are gonna, that's where it's gonna be at. So if you click on that, you put a tab. This tab makes it flush left. This is centered, and this is flush right, and this is with a decimal. That's really for financial, because you want, a lot of times you want your decimals to line up, you know, when you're dealing with numbers. So we're gonna do flush left right now. Maybe we might switch it up. So once you have that, and then in the letter, I want you to put a dot, a period, okay? So then when you hit tab, it creates a line, and it's always going to be flush left. So I'm gonna say page 5. Same thing here, because it's important that you have highlighted all the ones that you wanted. That if you don't do that, then it's not gonna apply it, okay? You have to let the computer know what you are about to set up. So then you hit tab here and say page 10. And then you say tab here, say page 15. Tab page 20. Okay, so you can actually just add some spaces, but this is very important, the tabs, because when I was a novice, when I first started, I remember one of my first internships, I was working at MTV in New York, and they were just so gracious to give me an internship there. And they were doing the times. They said, can you design this postcard? I was like, sure. I was so excited, a postcard, you know, for MTV. So they said, okay, this is the show, and these are the times. So I was using spacebar, and the art director got so mad at me. I was like, I'm sorry, I didn't know what I was doing. He said, do you know tabs? I said, no. And he said, well, learn it. You know how New Yorkers are. So then but I love them. So then I learned tabs quick. So I didn't know that you could put periods, you could put lines, all these kind of things. But what's important is, like, let's say for instance that the font changes. If the font changes, then that means that if I use spacebar, it's going to throw everything off. But if I have tabs, everything is aligned and perfect. So this is professional. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to do it like that. Once you do that, then you can come in later and add a little another text box underneath here, let's say, and add some text. Okay, so let's do the non-hyphenate, and let's see how it looks so far. Shift W. It's getting there. Okay, so those are the two things that I would really like for you to focus on. I really want you to play around with the tabs, and I want you to link two boxes, okay? Other than that, you are free to do whatever it is that you would like, however you would like to. Did I? No, I didn't. I thought I had stopped it. You are free to design it the way you want. Okay? All right, that's it. Take care. Bye-bye.